The MSME sector has been gaining significant traction in India's growth story. Riding high on the rich demographic dividend, this sector has emerged as a major avenue for employment generation by leveraging the abundant human capital. The second edition of SIDBI, the Economic Times India MSE Awards, was held recently in the national capital to honour and acknowledge the excellence achieved by the doyens of micro and small enterprises in India. The event was flagged off with a welcome address by Mohammad Mustafa, Chairman and Managing Director, SIDBI. He enlightened the congregation about the various steps taken by SIDBI.
ये ETMSE अवार्ड का दूसरा वर्ष है। मैंने पिछली बार भी बोला था, इस अवार्ड की विशेषता ये है कि बाकी जितने अवार्ड हैं वो किसी न किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, किसी विशेष बैंक के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। ये पहला हम लोगों ने एक अवार्ड लास्ट ईयर से शुरू किया जो किसी बैंक के साथ ना जुड़ करके ये पूरे इकोसिस्टम के लिए जुड़ा हुआ है। और हम ये प्रयास ज़रूर करते हैं कि जब अवार्ड दें तो ऐसा बायस नहीं होना चाहिए कि सिडबी के लोगों को ज़्यादा अवार्ड मिल जाए, बाकी लोगों को नहीं मिले। इसको हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल करते हैं और हम कई कैटेगरीज के लिए देते हैं, जैसे कि मोस्ट टेक सेवी, वुमेन एसएमई अचीवर, एमएसई एक्सपोर्टर, बेस्ट इनोवेटिव एंटरप्राइज, दोनों ही मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और सर्विसेज सेक्टर में। और ये जो अवार्ड सिडबी ने पिछले 2 सालों में बहुत सारे काम किए एमएसएमई सिस्टम के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, इकोसिस्टम के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, बहुत सारे टेक्निकल भी, नॉन टेक्निकल भी। तो 2.0 हमारा एक विज़न है जिसके अंतर्गत ये भी एक कदम है जिसको हम लोगों ने उठाया। तो होता क्या, अवार्ड देने के बाद क्या होता है, तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जब अवार्ड ख़त्म हो जाता है उसके बाद की प्रक्रिया होती है। तो सिडबी के अवार्ड को पाने वालों को 2 चीज़ें खास तौर से 3 चीज़ें हम लोगों ने ऑफ़र की थी। एक तो उनको एमडीपी ट्रेनिंग मिलती है, आप जानते हैं IIM लखनऊ के साथ हमारा टाई अप है, जिसे बिना किसी शुल्क के उनको दिया जाता है। दूसरा, हम लोगों एक मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम है जिसमें कोई रिनाउंड बिजनेसमैन उनको मेंटर करता है, आगे लेकर के जाता है और वो काफ़ी सफल रहा। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस बार जो है ये हमारा मेंटरशिप या जो स्किल अपग्रेडेशन का कार्यक्रम है वो आगे जाएगा। और आप सभी का फिर से हार्दिक धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Binayfa Jahani, Director SME CRISIL, then shed light on the evaluation criteria followed for whittling down the nominees and deciding the winners.
We have received nominations across the country, with majority of nominations coming from the West, followed by the North. 64% of the nominations were from the manufacturing sector. We had to bring down the list from 4,485 to merely 20. And this was done over screening of only 3 rounds across multiple cities. The evaluation was based on parameters such as business management, financial evaluation, and impact, and intensive discussion with each of the management shortlisted. And there we had to pick just 5 winners from the 44 nominations that we received. The top 3 to 5 shortlisted MSCs and lenders were presented to eminent sector experts with expertise in business, marketing, finance, banking, and legal domains. The winners were then selected by the jury process, which were held in 3 cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. My congratulations to all the winners and to all those who participate in this great contest. We at CRISIL wish you and your family a great year ahead and a fabulous journey of growth and success. Thank you once again.
The stage was thus set for the speech by the Honourable Minister for MSME, Nitin Gadkari, who dwelt upon the prevailing scenario in the MSME sector.
उपस्थित सभी सम्माननीय अतिथिगण, भाई और बहनों, सबसे पहले मैं सिडबी को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि एमएसएमई सेक्टर में जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है उनको रिकॉग्नाइज करने का ये अवार्ड देकर उनने अच्छा काम किया है, जो निश्चित रूप से एमएसएमई सेक्टर को प्रोत्साहित करेगा। इस बात के लिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं। हमारे देश में हमारे ग्रोथ रेट में 29% कंट्रीब्यूशन एमएसएमई सेक्टर का है। हमारे देश का जो एक्सपोर्ट है उसमें 49% एक्सपोर्ट एमएसएमई के द्वारा होता है और अभी तक 11 करोड़ रोजगार एमएसएमई के द्वारा अभी तक क्रिएट हुए हैं। हमने ये तय किया है कि 29% ग्रोथ के बजाय हम 50% पर जाएंगे 5 साल में, और जो 49% एक्सपोर्ट है उसको 60% तक ले जाएंगे, और जो 5 करोड़ नए रोजगार देश में निर्माण करेंगे। इसमें स्वाभाविक रूप से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विस सेक्टर इसको तो इन्वॉल्व किया है, पर एमएसएमई के मंत्री होने के नाते जब मैंने रिव्यू किया तब मेरे ध्यान में एक बात आई कि विशेष रूप से हमारी 65% पॉपुलेशन जो गांव में बसती है, जो एग्रीकल्चर, रूरल एंड ट्राइबल सेक्टर में रहती है, उनके लिए जितनी स्कीम्स और जितनी योजना होनी चाहिए उतनी नहीं है। और हमारे इकोनॉमी की सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है कि गांव में एम्प्लॉयमेंट न होने के कारण बड़े प्रमाण पर माइग्रेशन शहर की ओर हो रहा है, और हमारे गांव में भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे उद्योग करने वाले लोगों की कमी नहीं है। और इसलिए मैं ज़रूर सिडबी को और इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स को सबको सुझाव दूंगा कि थोड़ा सा अगले बार आप ये रूरल एग्रीकल्चर में भी जो अच्छे सक्सेसफुल है उनका ज़रूर विचार करिए। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज के ज़माने में विशेष रूप से हमारे देश की जो इकोनॉमी है उसको बूस्ट करने के लिए एमएसएमई में और ज़्यादा फाइनेंस करने की आवश्यकता है, और सिडबी इसमें काम कर रही है। उनसे और ज़्यादा देश की भी अपेक्षा है, सरकार की भी अपेक्षा है। मैं फिर से एक बार सिडबी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
After the invigorating speech by the minister, it was now time to acknowledge and honor the stalwarts of the MSE industry for the excellent work they have done in the manufacturing and services sector. The first category was that of the best employment generating MSEs. The award for best employment generating MSE Micro in the manufacturing sector was given to Jute Artisans Guild Association. The best employment generating MSE Small in the manufacturing sector was awarded to Ayush Kasliwal Design Private Limited. The best employment generating MSE Micro in the services sector was given to Green Valley Energy Ventures Private Limited. The winner of the best employment generating MSE Small in the services sector was Upcurve Business Services Private Limited. The award for Women MSE Achiever Micro in the manufacturing sector was given to Myra Foods. The award of the Women MSE Achiever Small in the manufacturing sector was backed by Rio Care India Private Limited. The prestigious award of the Woman MSE Achiever Micro in the services sector went to Vemba Tech Private Limited. The winner of the Woman MSE Achiever Small in Services was Dow Centric Technology Private Limited. A Another category was of the most innovative entrepreneur. Ostrich Mobility Instruments Private Limited won the award of the most innovative entrepreneur, micro in the manufacturing sector. The award of the most innovative entrepreneur, small in the manufacturing sector, was won by Agriland Biotech Limited. The award for the most innovative entrepreneur, micro in the services sector, was conferred upon Airavat Corporate Services Private Limited. The honor of the most innovative entrepreneur, small in the services sector, was bestowed upon FTI Food Tech Private Limited.
It's really excellent, and I really appreciate SIDBI that the process which has been taken for selection of award. We have received national award earlier also as a gold trophy highest exporter of India. But this process was made me really amazing, a right process to go through. I appreciate that.
It's a great honor and a prestige to win this award from SIDBI ET with CRISIL partnership. We are very proud, and I really take this opportunity to thank my entire team and my family to be able to make this.
This initiative of SIDBI is really appreciable because the MSCs like us who are working at a very low level, you can be our micro enterprise in fact. So recognizing us at a national level is really a good job done by SIDBI.
SIDBI and Economic Times have done a human service by encouraging young entrepreneurs like us. Young company, I should say, because I'm aged. So the next generation will take over this and do more and get more laurels.
The latter part of the day began by a short address by Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of State Finance. He talked about the various steps taken by SIDBI to address the issue of credit shortage to the MSMEs.
I note with admiration that winner of the MSMEs awardees are from different sectors, and I would like to congratulate all the awardees today whose hard work has been recognized and rewarded. My best wishes to you and congratulations to you. I'm confident that this award shall motivate other MSCs, entrepreneurs to contribute in Make in India initiative program of the Government of India. The MSME sector is an important pillar of the Indian economy, as said by Mr. Nitin Gadkari, contributes towards 29% to the GDP and 40% of the total exports. MSME sector is expected to grow at healthy rate, owing it to the several initiatives the Government of India for strengthening the MSME ecosystem. I also take this opportunity to congratulate SIDBI for playing a major role in on-board digital platforms such as PSB loans in 59 minutes, stock exchange listings, e-commerce platform, etc., to ease out the difficulties faced by MSMEs and SIDBI. Further, I would especially like to acknowledge the effort made by SIDBI for the development of this sector in order to address various non-financial challenges of MSMEs. SIDBI has reoriented its focus on promotion and development initiatives with theme of Sampark, Samvad, Suraksha, and Parshan, which is connect, interaction, security, and disseminate. I understand that Mission Swavlamban is a flagship program of SIDBI, wherein concerted efforts are being made to induce entrepreneurship culture among youths pan-India. Jai Hind.
Thereafter, the second set of awards were conferred upon the winners, marked by rousing applause from the audience. The next category was the Best MSE Exporter. JHR Overseas was deemed the Best MSE Exporter Micro in the manufacturing sector. The award of the Best MSE Exporter Small in the manufacturing sector was bagged by Jasma Engineering LLP. The honor for the Best MSE Exporter Micro in the services sector went to Agiledge Process Solutions Private Limited. The honor of being the Best MSE Exporter Small in the services sector was received by Balaji Railroad Systems Private Limited. Then came the category of the most tech-savvy MSEs. Burner India was considered the most tech-savvy MSE Micro in the manufacturing sector. The award for being the most tech-savvy MSE Small in the manufacturing sector was won by Oilmax Systems Private Limited. The award for the most tech-savvy MSE Micro in the services sector went to iWeb Technology Solutions Private Limited. The award for being the most tech-savvy MSE Small in the services sector was won by Maximus Infoware India Private Limited. The award for being noteworthy lender to the MSEs in the category of public sector banks was won by Canara Bank. The award for being noteworthy lender to the MSEs in the category of private sector banks was won by HDFC Bank. The award for being noteworthy lender to the MSEs in the FinTech category went to Lending Card Finance Limited. The award for being a noteworthy lender to the MSEs among the NBFCs was won by Bajaj Finance Limited. The Jury Choice Award for an outstanding contribution to national banking was presented State Bank of India.
This initiative is grand. People are recognized, people are charged up. To make this better, I am sure ET, SIDBI, CRISIL will come together. We can make this grander, like Gadkari ji said. We could even involve rural people, and जैसे participation बढ़ेगा अपने आप growth होगा.
Absolutely enthusiastic to do more and more. I think we were started as a very small company and getting such a big recognition as a team that we are here. We feel very excited to create more sustainable jobs in the future and to carry this legacy on for years and make this company more international in the coming time.
I think we are deeply grateful to ET, CRISIL and SIDBI for organizing this and encouraging entrepreneurs like us. It's a great platform for us to showcase our talent and show that India has in it to develop large enterprises, consulting firms, just like the global ones are.
It feels awesome. It's a validation of the work we have done over this period of time. Great credit should go to my team, to my customers, to ET, CRISIL, SIDBI, for having provided a platform that actually allows entrepreneurs like us who are coming from the ground up to actually showcase what we're doing and get recognized for it. I think that's a really great initiative by SIDBI, CRISIL and ET.
First of all, I thank Honorable Minister for Road Transport and MSME, Manya Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Thank you very much, sir, for your presence, and the direction which you have given to SIDBI will certainly take this forward. And he did mention for the next year there has to be an award in the rural and agricultural entrepreneurs for them. So we make a note of that. Also thank Honorable Shri Anurag Thakur ji, Honorable Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs. Sir, आपके शब्द जो आपने कहे हमें कि SIDBI अच्छा काम कर रहा है, बट कुछ कामों में कठिनाइयाँ आती हैं. एक MSME एंटरप्रेन्योर भी जब चलता है तो शुरू में कठिनाई आती है तो हम उसको पूर्ति करेंगे, उसका हम निवारण करेंगे. सर, आपके शब्दों ने हमारे लिए उत्प्रेरक का काम किया है और हम आपको आश्वासन देते हैं, आपको आश्वस्त करते हैं कि जो ये वर्ष होगा इसमें हम पुनः नई इच्छा के साथ में, एक नई शक्ति के साथ में पुनः उस एजेंडा को लेके जाएंगे जिसमें आपने कहा कि MSMEs देश की इकोनॉमी की रीढ़ हड्डी हैं. सरकार साथ खड़ी हुई है और SIDBI जैसे संस्थान भी इसी उत्साह के साथ में आप लोगों के साथ में खड़े हुए रहेंगे. Sponsors, Ministry of MSME, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Kotak, AU Small Finance Bank, Bajaj Finance, CGT MSE, and PSB 59, of course. CRISIL being the knowledge partner, knowledge is something, it's very, very important. आपने बड़ा एक हमारे को जो इतना दुष्कर कार्य है, इस बार एंट्रीज भी ज़्यादा थी, कैटेगरीज भी ज़्यादा थी, उस सबको इतना बढ़िया सुचारू रूप से मैनेज किया. Thanks a lot for that. And participants, all of you who are here, thanks for your time, for making this show a success. Industry associations, leaders who are here in big numbers, thank you so much for being here. Last but not the least, the captain of the ship, Mr. Mustafa, who has made it happen. This has been his dream to organize this kind of an event in such a manner, a signature event for SIDBI. So I really want to thank him as well. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
The SIDBI ET MSc Awards is one of the best platform, I believe. This is definitely an encouragement for everybody. It's not only for myself or as an organization, it's going to be all for all the MSCs.
It's a great feeling and a great honor to be the part of this event, and receiving this award, we are very glad and we are on the next step of our achievement of the business.
SIDBI is the nodal agency for MSMEs. So getting an award from SIDBI, which is the sponsor of this and the architect behind this award, is fantastic. Economic Times is the biggest economics daily, I think, worldwide. So both of them, coming together, coming out and giving an award to HDFC Bank, it is a matter of great honor and great pride. We accept it humbly on behalf of our almost 100,000 employees.
The day-long event witnessed the participation of the MSCs from across the country. It was a testament of the efforts undertaken by the MSCs in helping shaping up India's future.